Somalis and Turkish, two communities who are distant from each other geographically and culturally worlds apart, but recently they are being bullied together by shared economic and political interests. No wonder it is not the first time. The relationship goes back hundreds of years, farther than the nation-states of Somalis and Turkish. The bond traces back to the 16th century. Then the Ottoman Empire extended a significant assistance to the other sultanate in its fights against the Abyssinian kingdom. Ahmad ibn Ibrahim al-Qasi, better known as Ahmad Gurey, was one of the most celebrated leaders of the kingdom. He turned the tide against Abyssinia after a series of defeats that brought the sultanate to the brink of disintegration. When speaking of the long-standing history between Somalis and Turkish, it is surely important to look at this mosque. It is almost 150 years old and was built by the Ottoman Empire. To this day, it is where the community perform their daily prayers and one of the historic sites of Berbera. The architecture of this mosque is completely different from all other mosques in the town. During the construction, workers are said to have lined it up all the way to Dubar to fetch students. This is also Dubar, the source of water for Berbera. The short-lived Turkish administration in the town significantly increased the water supply of the town. It is even said that it was the first time fresh water was so abundantly available in Berbera.
halkani waa biyihii Dubar ee ay Berberi ka cabaysay ilaa taariikhdii Turkiga.
This is Dubar water source of Berbera. Since the short-lived of the Turkish administration, we are standing in the center where water comes together, as well as where the main pipe water which goes to Berbera starts from.
Defense is unessential to any new administration. Here is where the Turkish wanted to assert their domination over the area. The authorities of Berbera city permitted us to visit this historic site. When you come to this place, you immediately figure out the wisdom of choosing its location. The historic relation between the Somalis and Turkish is revived by the current president of Turkey, Recep Tayyip Erdogan. His 2011 visit to Mogadishu has evaporated the horrific claims of Mogadishu being the most dangerous city in the world. Immediately, an economic, diplomatic and military cooperation grew at an accelerated pace. Thousands of Somali students went to Turkey for higher education in the last decade. The country is also the #1 destination for the Somali health tourists. Turkish products, clothes, furniture, to television shows have also found a market in the Somali community.
The relationship between Turkish and Somalis is growing in a fast, and majority of Somali products, especially clothes and dress as well as furniture, are dominating the Somali market now.